These guys are all out here. I don't know if they'll not eat that or what, but so far it's surviving. That water bucket is working out really well. In fact, we're talking about getting the water buckets and the feeders. So instead of using this kind of feeder, we'll be using the one that's PVC and they can stick their heads in. See? Water, water, water. I wish I knew if it was Hagatha that's giving me eggs or if anybody else is laying. And that would be why I call her Hagatha. I haven't named the rest of these. Alright, let's go see what the other guys are up to. Well, we got Romeo. All the girls were down a minute ago. I think they're like concerned I'm gonna like grab them and move them again. Hi, ladies. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Do we got any eggs? No eggs. That is a fake egg. No eggs. But I do have my girls. And that scratch thing is why I put this bucket in here. Is because I got really tired of them having crap in their water. That's what most of the care of these guys are. Other than that, there's not much. You can see all that bedding was upstairs. We're definitely learning things. You can see they're like scratching right there. Here, Mama. 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 Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, Mama. Come here. Now you're just going to scratch. There goes Romeo. They make some of the weirdest noises. Mama. Anyways, there's your adult chick flick of the day.